So today we talk about Hotel Matamba at Phantasialand. It's this beautiful African-themed resort. It's directly at the park. We stayed here one night for the first time ever. We tried the restaurants, we enjoyed the atmosphere, and of course we tested the rooms for you.
Really nice.
So let's talk about this. Hotel Matamba is really a sight to see when you arrive, especially at night. We came here during Christmas season and so it was a bit extra magical with all these lights and decorations and everything. I mean, look at this huge Christmas tree in the lobby, it's really something. And I think Hotel Matamba is a really great choice in the winter because the weather outside, it's cold, it's rainy, and you come in here and you have this warm and cozy atmosphere. It really warms you up. And here, right next to the reception, you also have this really cool bar. We got a pina colada here, and you can sip it right next to a real fireplace. It's super warm. Also, if you come here during Christmas season, the gardens are decorated with all these lights. I think we never really seen anything like this before. It looks so beautiful. And because we're in Africa, of course you can see all of the animals. They are looking at Black Mamba right now, I think. The garden is really huge. There's also the table service restaurant right in the middle. We have a really cool view of the park at night. And there are these little adventure trails for the kids, which are really cool, I think. We spent quite some time just strolling along, soaking in the atmosphere, even if it was really cold outside, until it was time for our dinner reservation. The adventure continues on the way to the restaurant with these super cool adventure trails that got lined up here beside the walls. Technically you have to be a little kid to try these out, but I'm not that tall, so I think it would be okay if I tried. And it was really fun and not that easy. At least I think dinner was well deserved. We decided to go with the buffet. The restaurant is themed to an African barbecue party, so you have this super cool and cozy booth right here. The menu comes in this metal box, which is also very unique. You'll need it to order your wine or your soda or whatever you need, but this is a buffet, so you really have to get up and get your food, of course. The main event is the barbecue grill. You can get fish or beef or pork. They're very nice, you can go as often as you want. I really like this oven. It's a special clay oven. You can make these like mini pizzas and she'll make them ready for you. So they're really delicious. Overall, the food had really good quality. It was so good, it was fresh, it was tasty. But watch out, if something is labeled spicy here, they really mean it. Finally, it's time to get to our room. The view from the top is really awesome with those little huts down there. This is the reception, and the way to your room is also very nice decorated. And when you come in, you find that the room is very large, so there's plenty of room for your luggage and your shoes and everything. The bed looks stunning, it looks like a little tent, and it also feels really comfortable. This one was quite soft and we loved it. We've got nice Parkplatz view, but it's okay. overall, I like the decorations a lot. There are all these little details. Oh, those are cool. Water. Ah, the Gazette. We're already at Matamba. Extenders Day, Charles Lindbergh.
Oh, next day.
This one is pretty serious. It is necessary to keep the windows closed outside because there are a lot of ladybugs. Oh, I need to shower. Okay. So let's have a look at the bathroom. It's also very nice. It's large enough. You have this super cool sink, also everything you need. The shower is also quite large. It's a rain shower and it had a nice pressure to it, which is also not a given thing in any hotel room. You see, we put away our luggage at the entrance and it was so much space. Ja. And?
Really nice.
Kann man nichts sagen.
Kann man nicht sagen. It's really nice.
Of course, you get direct access to the park. The access here is right next to Black Mamba. You're supposed to get in early, but we waited quite a long time to get in the park. And well, when they finally let us in, we raced right to town to get those first rides. And yeah, everyone else was already there. It turns out the guests from the main entrance were earlier in the park than us. Anyway, we had a super nice day overall. We can really recommend this hotel. You'll make some great memories here, we promise. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.